Hello friends, welcome to my channel Welding and NDT, and today we will discuss about a welding defect which is known as undercut. So to explain undercut, I'll draw a drawing of a welding and then I'll explain what is a undercut. See friends, this is a single V joint, and now what happens? It is expected that the welding will be like this. But what happens? On the base metal near to the weld metal, a narrow groove is formed. Let me use another color. So on the base metal near to the weld metal, see this is your base metal. So on the base metal near to this weld metal, a groove is formed, and this groove is known as undercut. So you can see this groove on the base metal. So the speciality of undercut that it is always formed on the base metal. It is always formed on the base metal and adjacent to weld metal, adjacent or near to weld metal. So it can be formed on one side or it can be formed on both sides also. And one more thing, I'll draw the top view of this welding. So here like this is your welding. Now what happens if an undercut will be formed? That undercut will be on the base metal or parent metal, and it always runs parallel to the weld metal, and the length of this undercut may be significant, or it can be up to entire weld, or it can be some portion also. So but the speciality is that it is always parallel to the weld metal. So two things are there. It is formed on base metal in this shape of a groove, and always it runs parallel to the weld metal, on base metal but parallel to the weld metal. Now I'll show you with the help of a photograph. See, here you can see the groove, and this groove is absolutely parallel. This is our weld metal, and here near to this weld metal this groove can be seen up to a certain depth. So this groove is absolutely running parallel to the weld metal, and this is on the base metal, not on the weld metal. So this is undercut. On the second diagram also you can see it is running parallel, absolutely going parallel with the base weld metal. So this is undercut. Now friends, what are the possible causes and remedies of the undercut? That I will explain. So major possible causes of undercut is, first one is high welding current and arc voltage. High current. So the current should be absolutely as per our welding specified welding procedure, and that welding procedure is made depending on the thickness and other factors. So the current shall be proper. If it is high, we need to brought to a level which is specified in the welding procedure specification. The second cause is large electrode dia. So if our electrode dia is larger, then also this groove can be formed or undercut can be formed. So we need to use a proper dia of electrode, proper electrode dia. Electrode angle, yes, here electrode angle also plays a role. So the electrode angle must be proper so that the groove will not be formed. So proper electrode angle needs to be maintained during welding. And finally, longer arc length. If your arc length is long, so we need to maintain our arc length also, proper arc length. So by avoiding these causes, we can get we will not be able to get undercut. Friends, undercut is a very dangerous defect because it acts as a stress razor, or you can say here at this position where the groove has been formed, it acts as a stress razor, or stress concentration is there, hence it will cause future failure, and mostly fatigue failure we can call it as that. This leads to a fatigue loading failure or fatigue failure. So friends, this was about undercut. I hope you like this video. Thank you very much.